Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I will share the details regarding the Jharkhand Combined Counseling for the BTech admission. So basically, the counseling, the date for many people were asking me when the counseling will start and such things will start after JEE Mains, completion of JEE Mains or after JEE Advanced. So here I would like to make it clear that the counseling starts after the examination and the result publication by JEE Advanced. Okay, after the result of JEE Advanced, the counseling of the Jharkhand Combined it will start. Okay, and here I will share all the details like what are the steps in the counseling, what are the documents required, what things you should take care of, and like where you should apply and everything I will share in this video. Okay, so be with me till the end. So it's starting. So the first step is the registration process. Okay, the JCB will release out an advertisement where they will mention all the details all regarding the counseling, what are the documents required, and all the mandatory information. Then there you have to fill the registration form on the JCECEB official website. There the tab will right now we are not having any dedicated tab for the BTech counseling, but after the publishing of the advertisement there will be a dedicated tab. There you have to fill the form and apply for the registration. Okay, here they will ask you all your details, your name, your JEE Roman roll number, your JEE Main rank and everything. They will take all those details there. Okay, then you have to after filling that form you have to pay the fee. Mostly the fee is rupees 500. Okay, the registration fee rupees 500, you have to pay that. And then there is a date for like for some date for registration. After the registration is over, the JCCB will publish out the state merit list. State merit list is basically prepared on your JEE Mains rank. JEE Mains rank is basically like many people of Jharkhand, from the state of Jharkhand, they apply for the registration process. And registration, like if you are having 100 JEE Mains rank 100 and some people are having JEE Mains rank 105, so that 100 rank will be given state merit list rank 1, then 105 will get state merit list 2, and so on. Basically they will arrange that Jharkhand combined, they will arrange the JEE Main rank in the state merit list. Okay, after the publication of state merit list, you guys will be allowed to do the choice filling, where you have to select the branch which you want to pursue and at which college you want to pursue. All those things you can do the choice filling. In Jharkhand Combined there are all the government and semi-government colleges of Jharkhand, like the BIT Sindri, Ramgarh Engineering College, USET, Hazaribagh, and all such colleges, Dumka Engineering College. All such colleges admission will take through this counseling only. Okay, so take this counseling very seriously. And after doing that choice filling, after like 1 week they will publish the counseling result, like have you got your desired seat or not, or you are allotted any branch or not. And like there may be two cases, that you are not allotted any branch or you are allotted a branch. So first, if you are allotted a branch, then you have to go to there will be information from you will have to accept that seat, and then you have to report to your allotted college. There you have to submit to document all the 10, 12 mark sheets, passing certificate, your residential certificate, everything you have to submit at the college. And after that admission is confirmed. And if you are not allotted seat, then after the completion of first round, if the seats are vacant, mostly the seats remain vacant in the first round, then after the first round there will be a second round. So basically in Jharkhand Combined there are 2 rounds and 1 spot round. This is a process for past 1 to 2 years. So there are 2 counseling rounds and 1 spot round for the leftover seats. Okay, talking regarding the documents that are required. So the most important document is your residential certificate. So have a latest residential certificate. Okay, don't if you are having a residential certificate or 2 to 3 years before, or you have made a residential certificate which is old or something, like the date has expired or something, so make a new fresh residential certificate. Okay, so residential certificate is the most important document that you will require. Then you will need to give your JEE Mains admit card, JEE Mains mark sheet, 10, 12 mark sheet and passing certificate, your caste certificate, and these are basically the major documents. And when after the allotment of seat, all the documents required will be published in the college website, official website of the college. So you guys will check from there. And I will also make a video when all the official statements are released, like the documentation are released from the college or Jharkhand Combined regarding the things, the important guidelines and such things. So I will make a video on that. Right now, till now, I am making this video, till date there is no advertisement by the Jharkhand Combined regarding the admission process or something, but it is sure that the admission process will be through JEE Mains rank only. There will be no Jharkhand Combined examination. Jharkhand Combined separate examination was stopped from the year 2018. Okay, so there will be all the admission process will be from JEE Main rank only. Guys, for your information, I have covered many videos regarding the admission process of the Jharkhand Combine, and I have covered the student life, the campus life of BIT Sindri, the hostels there, the mess there, the review of the college BIT Sindri college review. So if you wanna know such thing, you can watch those video in my channel, and if you like the video, to subscribe the channel and support me, guys. That was all from my side in this video. I will keep making videos on the updates of Jharkhand Combine counseling. So till then, have a good day. Bye bye.